There we are, 1950 something Kenworth maybe. Look at all these tanks and crazy BS, brass valves. Interesting suspension, like a torsion and leaf spring. Top loaders. Looks like that housing's seen better days. The pump probably works. Steer axle. Good sized turbo. Little 6-cylinder. Good sized radiator. Air box. How we're gonna fire that up. Fuel tanks. Yeah, I think she's ready for work. Stack. Oh yeah, there's a brake. I think that's a transmission. I don't know. Okay. Oh, let me drop some glass. Here's a data tag. Gauges. And that little back window. She's rough, but she still starts. Got some power. Neutral. Key on. Push button. Can't quite do this one. And that's how we crank it. Well, I think I got some dead batteries. That's it for now.